Hey friends, let me show you how we created the angel frame November craft along box. I used 4 different colors and I'll have those listed in your sheet and in the description. Y'all, we added 2 rusty stars, a bell, and a hanger for the back. And now these are all the pieces, and I'm going to show you how we painted them. And I matched up all the chalk paste with the paint colors in case you want to use those. The first 2 colors I'm going to use are Ocean Water and Carribean. And I put them both in a paint tray, and then I loaded my brush up with both colors. And I'm just going all over the board. This is one of the ways that I like to add depth and dimension by using 2 colors. And you really don't notice it, but if it was a solid color, you would notice that. I dried it and then I went back over, a few spots here and there. You don't have to go all the way to the edge because the frame is going to cover that up. And you see how this is drying, and it's so pretty and it's so subtle, but it's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you a way that I like to make something look distressed. I use like cardboard torn. I put just a little bit of paint on the edge, and then I drag it lightly, very lightly. You can use this method to make it look like you used several colors to make something look rustic. It's very easy. And remember, use a light touch. And now this is the same brown that I'm going to use for the frame. And I like a ragged edge. And sometimes, I drag across and it's a bigger blob than I want. But you see how light that was? It actually fell out of my hand. And sometimes you can just like take the edge and touch in different spots, and it gives a different look. I'm going to dry this a little bit, and then I am going to pounce my blues on that little spot at the top. That was a little too much, and then I'm just pouncing it right there. And it's easy to fix your mistakes if you consider them mistakes. Now I'm going to take the it's bark brown, and I'm going to paint the frame, all of the pieces. I ended up just doing 1 coat because I am going to take a paper towel and wipe it back to make it look like it's stained. And I did that while it was still wet, before it dried. And you can use stain if you want to. I just like to use paint as stain. All right, now we're going to paint the angel. We're painting her white. And I'm going to use that same distress method that I used on the back of the frame. But I'm just going to use the brown. And I do put 2 coats on this and dry in between. I just love this craft along box. I just think it's beautiful. I love angels, and I have so many angels that look after me, and I'm sure you do too. Angels was a request, so we're like, yes, we love angels. Now I'm just making sure everything's dry, and then we're going to start gluing it all together. And the first, actually, here we go. This is that little brown that I was adding to the wings and the angel, just to make it look a little distressed. And then I am going to take my sander and sand the edges. But you can see how easy this is. And it's kind of fun to, use a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard or brown box, whatever. Just tear it. And now I'm going to dry everything really well, and then I'm going to take my little sander and sand around. I just love the way this looks with the different colors and the paper, trick. Guys, I hope that whenever we're doing these projects that we give you some ideas to run with. And I'm just using some tacky glue and some hot glue to hold this in place. And you just line it up on the edges and at the top for each piece. So I'm doing both of the long sides first, adding a little of the tacky glue. It takes a little bit longer to dry, and the hot glue just holds it while it does dry. But look how pretty that blue is with the brown and white. And if that's not your thing, if you don't like that, you can totally paint it solid. Paint it any color you like, because the angel being white is going to look good on any background. I love how this is coming together. And then I am going to dry fit the angel. We did those back pieces just to lift it up off the back a little bit. So here we go. I'm going to I'm going to glue the wings on first, because in this scenario, they are the most important. Get those on there straight. And then I did this to look at it to make sure. Move it a little bit, adjust. Okay, now we're going to glue the backer pieces on. And you totally do not have to paint these because you're not going to see them. They're basically just adding dimension for the body of the angel so that it looks like the wings are, you know, on the back. This just lifts her up a little bit, and it fits together really good right there in that semicircle. And then I just line that up with the bottom piece. And now I'm checking just to make sure before I glue that on. Y'all, this is so stinking cute. I hope you love it. I hope you're enjoying our craft along boxes. And I cannot wait to craft along with you guys on this one. And there we go. Isn't that so pretty? Now, we gave you some twine, so I'm going to double it and make a bow. Then I'm going to glue that on right there. And, you know, adjust that so it's not too big and overwhelming. And then we gave you guys a rusty bell that I'm going to glue right there in the center. You could put a button, whatever you want. If you have something from a friend or family member, you could actually glue that on there. Now let's put these rusty stars on here. And then I cut the other two pieces a little bit shorter, glued those on, and then glued the rusty star on. And we are almost finished. I hope you guys love this. I'd love to know in the comments, so let me know what you think. And what do you think about those blues? I am in love. Thank you guys for watching. Now, we did give you a hanger. You put the smaller piece on first, you glue it on, and then you glue the sawtooth on top of that, and that just gives you a place for your nail or whatever you use to hang. And there we go. I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments what you think. This angel is so beautiful. Thanks again. See y'all later.